a digital plane. The cursor blinks, a start and rain. A blank canvas, a problem to solve. On grasshopper stage, new dreams evolve. The wire snake, green and gray lines, connecting thoughts and future designs. I drag a node, a function to write, to bring my visions into the light. And the AlgoJewels begin to shine. The code I type, a divine design. AJ components, a shimmering grace, crafting jewels in this virtual space. A diamond ring with a perfect stone, and earrings curve a shape unknown. From the abstract map, a physical plea, the magic of AJ for all to see. The data flows, a list of points. A sphere is born at all the joints. I sculpt the setting, a filigree thread with logic and loops inside my head. The slider moves, the parameters change. The diamond's cut, I can rearrange from a simple seed, a complex form. I weather the digital creative storm, and the AlgoJewels begin to shine. The code I type, a divine design. AJ components, a shimmering grace, crafting jewels in this virtual space. A diamond ring with a perfect stone, and earrings curve a shape unknown. From the abstract map, a physical plea, the magic of AJ for all to see. They say a jeweler works with hands so fine, but in this screen the true artistry is mine. The code is the hammer, the keyboard the file. Every single line is worth the while. No dust or gold, just pixels and light, but the final piece will be burning bright. And the AlgoJewels begin to shine. From the code I type, a divine design. AJ components, a shimmering grace, crafting jewels in this virtual space. A diamond ring with the perfect stone, and earrings curve a shape unknown. From the abstract map, a physical plea, the magic of AJ for all to see. Yeah, the magic of AJ for all to see. A digital jewel for eternity, a diamond ring, an elegant twist from grasshopper's heart, a golden kiss.